been challenges, of course, naturally. Life throws things at you. But when I count that setup, because I can flash back beyond the 2 years, and I can see myself then, and I see myself now, and there's a discernible difference.
You're a better person and look for a lot more, perhaps, than you would if you're younger, I think. Yes. So during the case, that dialogue began at the courtship stage, for which I'm eternally grateful for. It was a depth, it was a...
Because the kids come first, but the conflict...
I think you've got a large family.
Yes, that's great. That, I wouldn't know what it is not to have a large family.
Really?
Well, I never envisioned how many kids. That was not part of my dream, my idea in life.
5-year plan.
My 5-year plan was not family.
Okay.
Or should I say Vision 2030? But I've always thought about not family, but
Can I be your friend till the end? Can I walk with you through your life? You've got me